Well, as Omicron spreads across the nation, some people argue there should be fewer precautions because they believe everyone will eventually get the virus.
News 8 Now's Dua Israr is live in our newsroom tonight to explain why health leaders disagree and why they say people should avoid large gatherings now more than ever.
Amy and Mike, the health experts I spoke with, say we should not lose sight of our goal to end the pandemic with the fewest number of deaths and as soon as possible. COVID cases continue to rise, but people are going about their day-to-day activities.
It's learning how to be safe with coexisting with the virus as opposed to blocking ourselves off.
But coexisting also means practicing safety precautions.
They're all kind of pieces to this puzzle that together really can keep people quite safe, even in the midst of the surge that we're seeing due to COVID-19 right now.
People on social media say they are tired of hearing about COVID, posting everyone is going to get it and it will never go away. Gunderson health experts say people should think about the impact COVID has had.
Again, I think we can't lose sight of what COVID-19 is and what it has done to so many people in our communities, in our families.
Infection preventionist Megan Beekle says people should continue to avoid large gatherings.
Hope and encourage people to kind of keep that in their consciousness as they decipher whether they would want to engage in that behavior for them and their family's sake.
Without precautions, County Health Educator Paula Sillo warns the virus will continue to mutate.
Will change to a point that it can totally escape the protection of the vaccination or the protection of the treatments that are out there.
While some people believe Omicron is nothing more than a flu, for patients with underlying health conditions, it can be deadly.
What I'm dealing with as far as a health issue might not be evident to anyone else, and what others deal with, they might not know about yet.
Health officials encourage people to do most of the things they love, but while continuing to take necessary precautions like masking, washing hands, and getting vaccinated.
Continue moving forward and continue recognizing the why behind the safe practices.
Gunderson says Omicron has placed an increased amount of stress on healthcare workers. Experts believe masking will ease the strain.
All right, thank you, Dua. The La Crosse County Health Department says the peak of Omicron has not yet hit Wisconsin. They are still expecting a rise in cases into at least next week.